Today is December 5th. I am Vicky and this is
Simon Says!
Our trip to the Edmonton Public Library was awesome. We had a great time in the library and discovered some services that are free for us. We also enjoyed watching soccer together last week at the SEC.
Welcome to week 6 at the Student Engagement Center. Do you know what season it is? It's holiday season. In December in Canada, there are many different celebrations going on depending on people's religious and cultural backgrounds. There's Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, winter solstice, and Christmas. I love seeing the Christmas trees that are going up, the lights, and people even wearing ugly sweaters. I'm wearing mine today. So that brings us to 2 things, our challenge for the week. So I'm wondering about your ugly Christmas sweater. And it doesn't have to be one that you own. Maybe you've seen a picture. Send me a picture of your favorite ugly Christmas sweater or holiday sweater. Now, the second thing is a big congratulations to the students who participated in last week's challenge. We had some great responses, so thank you. Another important part of many of the celebrations going on is gift giving. In my house, we celebrate Christmas. So every day in December leading up to December 25th, we get a little gift from our Advent calendar. And then on Christmas Day, we exchange bigger gifts. And something else our family does is we give a donation. So we give money to an organization that supports people in need. This holiday season, the English Language School, as well as everybody else in Enterprise Square, is collecting donations for the Edmonton Food Bank and the Bissell Center, which helps people in need. So I invite you to bring a little donation. You can bring a can of food or a new toiletry item and put it in our donation box. We'll be collecting donations all this week. With all these different celebrations happening in December, there is often a lot of food. So that is our theme for this week. We're going to be talking about our favorite foods, either here in Canada or back home. Here's what some of the students had to say about their favorite foods.
I really like palyantsia. In Ukrainian, we call a bread like this, and I like it because it usually looks very beautiful and tastes very nice. You can eat it with sour cream or honey or whatever.
Actually, my favorite food is mansaf. It's a traditional food that we do it in Sudan, and I like it very much actually. And the thing is, why do I like it? Because it reminds me of my family and my hometown.
I love pierogies. In Ukrainian, it sounds like vareniki. I associate them with my home when my family and I gathered together and made them.
Well, my favorite dishes is dumplings because my mother can make really good dumplings and I love it. It's delicious.
And my favorite food in China is sticky rice ball. I think it's sweet and tastes good. It's really delicious.
Here's what's happening in the SEC this week. On Monday, we'll talk about word choice, choosing the best academic words to make your point. On Tuesday, we'll have a listening lab. We'll work on those essential listening skills so that you can get the main point and some details. On Wednesday, we'll work on writing the best topic sentences. Learn how to write an effective topic sentence about any topic. And on Thursday in Conversation Club, we're talking about your favorite topic, food. I hope you'll join us. Here are some photos from last week's Conversation Club when we talked about volunteering and the importance of giving back. And Vicky, where are we going on Friday?
This Friday, we are going to stay at the Enterprise Squares to play some board games with hot chocolate. Everyone is invited, so if you don't have any plans after class, why not join us? We always have fun. See you there!
And this was
Simon Says!
Yay!